Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all the fitness enthusiasts out there. If you're a beginner looking to kickstart your fitness journey from the comfort of your home, you've come to the right place. We've designed a 7-day full-week workout plan that is perfect for beginners, with no fancy equipment needed. So, let's get started. Total body toning. Happy Monday, and let's begin the week with a total body toning workout. We'll be targeting all major muscle groups with bodyweight exercises such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. This routine will help build strength, improve flexibility, and enhance overall body stability. Cardio Blast. On Tuesday, it's time to get our heart rates up with a cardio blast. We'll be incorporating high-intensity interval training exercises to burn calories, increase endurance, and boost metabolism. Get ready for a sweaty and fun session. Core Strengthening. Midweek calls for core strengthening. We'll be focusing on exercises like crunches, leg raises, bicycle kicks, and Russian twists to build a strong and stable core. A solid core not only aids in better posture, but also enhances your overall fitness performance. Rest and recovery. Congratulations on completing 3 days of intense workouts. On Thursday, it's essential to give your body some time to recover. Rest is crucial for muscle repair and growth, so take this day to relax, stretch, or do some light yoga. Upper body empowerment. Happy Friday. Today's workout will be all about empowering our upper body. We'll focus on exercises like push-ups, tricep dips, shoulder presses, and bicep curls. Building upper body strength not only improves daily activity, but also helps with overall functional fitness. Lower body sculpting. It's leg day. On Saturday, we'll work on sculpting our lower body through exercises like squats, lunges, calf raises, and glute bridges. Building strong legs not only enhances your physique but also improves your balance and stability. Flexibility and relaxation. Congratulations, you've reached the last day of the week. Sundays are for flexibility and relaxation. We'll dedicate this session to stretching exercises and some yoga poses to improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and promote relaxation. And that's a wrap for our 7-day full-week workout plan at home for beginners. Remember, consistency is key in achieving your fitness goals. Make sure to warm up before each workout, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. If you need to modify any exercises, feel free to do so. Always prioritize safety and form over intensity. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fitness content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We love hearing your feedback and suggestions for future videos. Thanks for joining us on this fitness journey, and we'll see you next time with more exciting content.